Okay, I'm going to do more notes on formulating. So some guy plays basketball. He got 13,726 points scored between free throws, 2-point, and 3-point baskets. Then he made 2,144 more 2 points than free throws, and then 1,558 more free throws than 3-point baskets. So how many 3-point, 2-point, and free throws did he make? So I'm going to set up my equations. I'm going to say free throws is X, the 2 points is Y, and the 3-point is Z. So I know free throws are 1 point. 2-point is obviously 2 points. And then the 3-point. And so all those points added together to give me 13,726 points. Then it tells me that he scored 2,144 more 2-point than free throws. So 2 points, baskets, and then I have to add 2,144 to my free throws. And then he made 1,558 more free throws than 3-point baskets. So free throws, 1,558 plus my 3-point baskets. So I need to get it into standard form. I have a variable. I need to get it on that side. So I'm going to get Y minus X was 2,144. It's going to be X minus Z equals 1,558. I need a 2. So I can make my matrix. I gotta be careful. My second equation, I have Y minus X. So my matrix, I have 1, 2, 3, 13,726, negative 1, 1, 0, 2,144, 1, don't have a Y, so 1, 0, negative 1, 1,558. So that's what I'm putting in my calculator. Okay, so I'm going to go second matrix, arrow over to edit. I have a 3x4. 1, 2, 3, 13,726, negative 1, 1, 0, 2,144, 1, 0, negative 1, 1,558. So once I enter my matrix, I'm going to go second, quit. Then I have to go find my matrix operation. So all my math options are on my matrix window. Over to math, up to RREF, enter. Then I have to go tell it what matrix to use. Enter. So I got my diagonal of 1s. It shows me I have 1x, 1y, 1z, and it tells me the values. So it tells me x is 2352, Y is 44.96 and Z is 7.94. So X was my free throws, Y is my 2-point baskets, Z was my 3-point baskets. The next question is saying you're investing some money. So this is actually really important. Something you'd actually do in real life besides play basketball. Invest $50,000 into 3 different accounts. So one account earns you 6% interest, one gives you 18%, and the other one gives you 10% interest. So the yearly interest from each of the 3 accounts is $3,700. And then you put in twice as much money into the 6% than the 10%. So you want to know how much is invested in each of these funds. So you can find out which account gives you this money. So I'm going to write it out. X, Y, Z. X, I'm going to say is my 6%, Y is going to be my 8%, and Z is my 10%. So together, X plus Y plus Z, my 3 accounts, I put in 50,000. Then my interest equation, 6% is 0.06, and then 0.08y plus 0.1z, and that gave me $3,700. Then it says twice as much money was invested in the 6 and the 10. So that means X is going to give me 2 times the amount I put in Z. So the second one I have to, or no, I'm sorry, the third one, I have to get Z over here. So I'm subtracting 2Z, so I have X minus 2Z equals 0. So my matrix is 1, 1, 1, 50,000, 0.06, 0.08, 0.1 is 37,000. 3,700, and then 1, no Y, negative 2 equals 0. So I'm going to go back to the matrix window, edit my previous matrix, 1, 1, 1, 50,000. 0.06, 0.08, 0.1, 3,700, and 1, 0, negative 2, 0. So if I have the ref of A in my history, I can just arrow up, select it, press enter, and it copies it down. I can press enter again, and it calculates my new matrix. So 30,000, 5,000, and 15,000. So in my X account, I put in 30,000 at 6% interest. In my Y account, I put $5,000 with 8% interest. And the 10%, I put in 15,000. So I'm looking at the homework that y'all picked up Friday. Number 1 and 2 were given some students some issues, so I'm going to look at those. It tells you have 3 brothers. Alex is the oldest, Carl's the youngest. The second sentence is only there so you can check your answers to make sure that you get Alex with a bigger number than you get Carl. but that's not really important. The sum of the ages of the three brothers is 42, so that's what we need. So A plus B plus C is 42. Then it says Alex's age is, so is that cue for the equal sign. A equals whatever it says after that. 3 more than twice Carl's age. So 3 plus 2 times Carl's age. And the difference between Bart and Carl is 7 years. So B minus C is 7. So y'all can find that. You're not going to get a negative age, you're not going to get a decimal age. So I am going to work number 2 and get the answer for number 2, but y'all can find the answer for number 1. So number 2, it says that there's a ballet performance, 3 different levels. The lower level costs 35, this other thing costs 25, and the upper is 15. So for a particular performance, the theater sold 5 times as many lower level as balcony, and then the theater sold 37,500 tickets in that performance. The money made from that thing was 4 times the money made from the balcony tickets. How many of each were sold? Okay, so I'll set up my cost equation. I have 35 for lower, 25 for that thing, and 15 for the balcony, and that earned $37,500. Then it tells me that the lower level sold 5 times as many as the balcony. So lower equals 5 times the balcony. Then it says the money, so that's the big thing here. The money made from that thing was alone 4 times the money it made from the balcony. So when it says money, I need to go back up and look at the cost. So the cost, 25M, is equal to 4 times the cost of the balcony. So that's going to give you 60. So you set up your matrix and have lower M balcony. So I have 35, 25, 15. 37,500. Then I have 1L, no M, then that negative, or that 5B comes over to the left, so negative 5 equals 0. And the second one, no L, 25M, and that's going to give me 60, so negative 60, 0. So I'm going to go over to my calculator and put it in. Second matrix, edit. 35, 25, 15, 37, 500. 1, 0, negative 5, 0. 0, 25, negative 60, 0. I got 750 lower, 360 of the whatever, and then 150 of the balcony.